Hey guys, what is up? How are you guys doing? And welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining the Mathematics Paper 1, which is Code Edition. Code is 0580 Paper 13, May June 2023. And for this paper, you should all read the below instructions mentioned at the start of the paper. And let's get started with the first question. Question 1 states write 928 correct to nearest 10. So nearest 10 is number 2. So we will write 928 rather than we will instead of writing 928 we will write 930 because after 2 it's 8, so 8 is bigger than 5, so 2 will be rounded off to the next number, which is 3. So 930. Question 2 states write on the fraction that is equivalent to 9 over 7. So any number that's equivalent to 9 over 7, so we will write 7 over 9, so we will write 7k divided by 9k. So 7k divided by 9k will be the correct answer. Question 3 states work out minus 4 plus 6 multiplied by 3. So first 3 6 are 18. 18 plus minus 4 will be 14. So the answer will be 14. Question 4 states Bobby records the number of days a shop is open during 30 days. So these are the number of days the shop is open. So over here the number of days is this is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 21, 22, 23. So these are 23 days that the shop is open and the remaining is 7 days. So like this, because here it's 5 in one batch, so 4 lines and 1 cross, and here okay, like this. So these are 7 days. Question 5 states complete a statement diagram has a rational symmetry order of 2, because if you rotate one time the shaded region will come like this, so this is not same as this, so it will be 2. Part B states on diagram draw all the lines of symmetry. So the possible lines of symmetry will be like this, like this. So these are 2 lines of symmetry. Question 6 states write the reciprocal of 16 as a decimal. So what we will do is write reciprocal of 16 as a decimal. So the reciprocal will be 0.0625 as a reciprocal of 16. So 0.0625. Question 7 states find the fraction of people who are more than 30 years old. More than 30 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 over 21. So if we simplify it by 3 or not 3, 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So 2 over 3 will be the final answer. B states work out a range. So highest minus lowest. So 57 minus lowest, which is 16, which will be 41. And part C states find a median. So if there are 21 people, meaning half of 21 is around 10 and a half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, here 2, here 2, then here 3, then here 3. So 39 will be the median. 39. Question 8 states find the total surface area of the cuboid. So surface area is equal to 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. So 2 times 8 times 3 plus 2 times 8 times 5 plus 2 times 3 times 5. So by using the calculator, the answer is 158 centimeters square because it's surface area. So 158 centimeters square. So this will be the final answer. Question 9 states the diagram shows a triangular prism. On the 1 centimeter square grid, draw a net of the prism. So here we have 4 centimeter, then opposite we have 4, here we have 2, here we have 2. So what we will do is we will draw a prism and expand it. So we have 4, 4, 4. So here we can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we can expand it 14. We have 14 blocks and this is 12 because 1, here 1, 2, 3. So we will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 centimeter. Then again 4 like this, and the last. Then on the opposite side we will draw the triangle like this, and here we will draw another triangle like this. Same for here. Like this. So this is how we draw the triangular prism. Question 10 states Olga thinks that 87 is a prime number. Is Olga correct? Give a reason for your answer. So the answer is no, because 87 is divisible by 3, which will be 29. So this is how we can state it. It's a no and it's divisible by 3. Then question 11 states the film lasts for 2 hours 50 minutes. The film ends at 23:05. Find the time the film starts. So 23:05 minus 2 hour and 50 minutes. So first we will subtract 50 minutes. So 23 minus 5, 23, then 23 minus 45, which will be 22:15 minus 2 hours. So this will be 20:15. So the time that the movie starts is at 20:15. Question 12 states triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Angle BAC is 38 degree and AB is equal to AC. So we have 38 and here we have both angles which will be the same. So what we will do is we will write 180 minus 38 divided by 2, which will be 71 degrees. So the value of x is 71 degrees. Question 13 states by writing each number in its calculation correct to one single figure, find an estimate for the value of this. So you must show all your working. So it's for 2 marks. So first we will solve the upper part, then the lower part, and so the answer is 35. So the answer will be 35. This is how we will be doing question 13 of part 1. Question 14 states a scatter diagram shows information about the time spent in a shop and the number of items bought. So part A states what type of correlation is this scatter diagram. So this is a positive correlation. So positive correlation. Part B states describe the relationship between the time spent and in the shop and the number of items bought. So the longer the people spend the time, the longer the people spend time in shop, so they will buy more items. Part C states draw a line of best fit on the scatter diagram. So by using the ruler, we can draw a straight line in between using the scale. So this is how we'll be doing part C of question 14. Question 15 states simplify d8 divided by d2. So d8 divided by d2 means that the powers will be subtracted. So the above powers are d8 divided by d2. So 8 minus 2 will be 6. So d6 will be the final answer for question 15. Question 16 states Maddie changes 4,000 Swiss francs into dollars when the exchange rate is $1 is equal to 0.913 Swiss francs. Work out how many dollars she receives. So 4,000 Swiss francs into dollars. So 4 instead of writing 4,000 first we will write the exchange currency, which is dollars. 1 is equal to 0.913. Then she has 4,000 Swiss francs and she has to get dollars. So it will be done like this. So x is equal to 4,000 times 1 divided by 0.913, that is 4381.16. 4381.16 dollars. So this will be the final answer. Question 17 states find the highest common factor that it has referred to its CF of 32 and 120. So highest common factor means the number which is divisible by the number itself. So 32. So it will be 1, 2, then it will be 4, then not 6, not 7, then 8, then 16, and then 32. And for 120 it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not 7, 8, then 10, 12, then for 8 it will be 15, then for 6 is 20, then for 5 is 24, then for 4 is 30, then for 3 is 40, and for the 2 is 60, and last is 120. So here we have its CF, which is 4 and 2. So 2 multiplied by 4, which will be the final answer is 8. So 8 will be the CF of 32 and 120. So 8 will be the final answer. Question 18 states the probability that Tom is late for school is 0.12. There are 200 school days this year. Work out the expected number of times that Tom is late for the school this year. So 200 times 0.12, which will be 24 days. So 24 days Tom will be late for school this year. Question 19 states expand and simplify x minus 5 in brackets multiply by brackets x plus 8. So first what we will do is expand, which is x squared plus 8x minus 5x minus 40. So x squared plus 3x minus 40. So this will be the final answer. x squared plus 3x minus 40 will be the final answer for question 19. Question 20 states the diagram shows a circle center O diameter AB. A, B, and C lie on the circumference of the circle. Write on the mathematical name of the line AC. So AC is not going through the center, but it's going on the side of the circle. So this is referred to as or called as chord or chord. Part B states find the value of x given the geometrical reason of your answer. So the value of x will be, we will write. So as the one line is going through the center, so the point that is meeting at the circle, outer circle, will be 90 degrees, because wherever you move this line, it will always be 90 degrees. So this is 90, this is 32, and for this it will be 180 minus these both angles. So 180 minus 90 minus 32, which will be 58 degrees. So 58 degrees will be the value of x, because the line of triangle is passing through the center. Line of triangle is passing through center. Question 21 states a spinner has 5 sides. Each side is painted red, blue, green, yellow, or orange. The table shows some of the probabilities of the spinner landing on each color. So these are the probabilities, and we have to calculate the probability of the orange. So total probability is 1. So 1 minus all of these probabilities, and the answer is 0.1 or 11. Part B states Dan spins the spinner once. Find the probability that the spinner lands on red or blue. So what we will do is we will add the probabilities of red and blue. So red is 0.3 and blue is 0.16. So the sum is 0.46. So this will be the total probability for the spinner landing on either red or blue. Question 22 states Vanessa invests $8,500 at a rate of 3.5% per year compound interest. Calculate the value of her investment at the end of 6 years. So the formula for using the compound interest is P, or you can say investment, which is I, is equal to P brackets open 1 plus R divided by 100 brackets close to the power number of years. So we put the values 8500 multiplied by 1 plus rate 3.5 divided by 100 brackets close to the power of 6. So the total amount that she will receive after 6 years will be 10,449. So the answer is $10,449 after 6 years. Question 23 states the diagram shows A, B, and C on a 1 centimeter square grid. Describe the single transformation of the maps. So part A states shape A into B. So shape A into B is a rotation by what point? By -3 and 3, because if we rotate from here, this will once rotate 90 degrees over here, this will stay here, and this point will move 90 degrees clockwise. So once 1 or 90 degree clockwise will come over here. So the answer is rotation by 90 degrees and clockwise not anti-clockwise, and from point -3 3. You have to see this because it's from here, so this is -3 and 3. This is 3 marks. So first mark is type of transformation, its rotation. Second is the degree of rotation, which is 90 degrees and clockwise, and last one number is pi, or from where it's rotated. So it's rotated from point -3 and 3. Part B states shape A into shape C. So shape A into shape C. As these shapes are in same direction, shape design, not even reverse or flipped. So this is a translation movement or translation transformation. So you can count this, like from here it's moved 1 2 downwards, which is -3 in y-axis, -2 in y-axis, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times to the right, which is x-axis. So as it's only 2 marks, so its first mark is for type of transformation, so it's translation, and second is by 7 and -2. So this is the final answer for part B of question 23. Question 24 states, without using a calculator, work out 5 by 11 over 12 plus 2 by 1 over 4. So first what we will do is expand these mixed fraction into normal fraction. So 12 times 5 is 60, 60 plus 11 is 71, plus 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Then we will make the denominator same. So 4 times 3 will be 12, so both are same. Then 9 times 3. So 71 divided by 12 plus 9 3s are 27 divided by 12. So 71 plus 27 is 78, 98 divided by 12. So 98 divided by 12. So we will be simplifying this and writing, dividing it by first by 4, then by 2, or you can write this in simplest form, which is by 4. So divided by 4, not divided by 4 also, divided by 2 if you want to do, divided by 2. So it will be 6 and 49. So this will be 6 by 6, 8s are 48 and 1. So 8 by 1 over 6. So this will be the final answer. 8 by 1 over 6 will be the final answer. So this is how we will be doing question 24. Question 25 states, in this question both lengths are in centimeters. The diagram shows two lines AB and CD. The length of AB is 10x plus 12 and length of CD is 2x plus 3. Line AB is 3 times as long as line CD. Work out the value of x. So AB is 3 times of CD. So line AB is 10x minus 12 is equal to 3 times of CD. So when we do is, we will do 3 multiplied by 2x plus 3. So we will expand this, 6x plus 9, 10x minus 12. Then we move x on one side and non-x on right side. So 10x minus 6x is equal to 9 plus 12. So what we will do is 10 minus 6, 4x is equal to 12 plus 9 is 21. So what we will do is x is equal to 21 divided by 4. So the value of x is 4 5s are 20 and 2 5. So 5.25 will be the final answer, or the value of x. 5.25 will be the value of x. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and if you have any queries regarding this paper or any other paper that you are solving or going through, don't forget to comment down the video and I will get back to you. See you in the next video. Bye.